My GE Proflie model WPGT9150HWW give me a E7 error code. Manual says this is a pressure sensor failure. I'm assuming the pressure sensor needs replaced. Is this a DIY repair or a more difficult repair?
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. You are correct about the pressure switch likely needing to be replaced. This switch should be located inside the control panel of your washer, so if you're handy you can definitely replace it yourself. Just unplug the washer first and remove the screws coming in from the back of the control panel. There is a small rubber hose going to the pressure switch. Disconnect that hose and blow through it to make sure it's clear. Try the washer again, and if it still acts up, then replace the pressure switch. Below is a link to the part for your model. Click here for part. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.